we're making a ramp that goes all the way down and out to the ocean. Woo! Go, shark, shark, go! You can do it! Woo! Oh, going! And he made it! Oh, look at that! This is a massive one. I've never seen one this big. You guys, Axel made this boat right here. He's got all these controls. Is this the throttle to make the boat go faster? You got them all lined up here. There they go! All right, you guys, Axel and his friends are over there playing around in the rocks. And while they're doing that, I'm gonna make something really cool over here in the sand. Alright, you guys, we are finished with what we were making, and we're making a ramp that goes all the way down and out to the ocean. First up is River with the grave digger. You ready? Push it! There it goes! Oh, it's going! Oh, didn't quite make it to the ocean. Maybe the ocean will come to him, though. Almost. Good try, grave digger. Up next is Shark Shark, you guys. Scarlett's pushing him. Are you ready, Scarlett? Let's see him go. Come on. Woo! Go, Shark Shark, go. You can do it. Almost. It almost made it, you guys. All right, and now it's Michael's turn. Who do you have, Michael? Oh, it's El Toro Loco. Are you ready, El Toro Loco? Let's see him. Ready, go. Woo! Go, 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 go! Oh, oh, so close! No! All right, up next is Denton with Max D. Ready, Max D? Let's see you do it. Woo! Oh, going! And he made it! Nice work, Max D. All right, River's gonna do it again with the mad scientist. Ready, River?
1, 2, 3. Go Pika!
Go Pika! Oh, he's gone. He didn't quite make it to the ocean. That's okay, mad scientist. All right, Shark Creek, are you ready? Yeah, dude, let's go. Come on. Here you go. Woo! Come on, hound dog. All right, you guys, so Axel's mommy was like, please, can I raise a monster truck? Yeah, please.
I was desperate to do this. It's so fun.
Are you ready? This is Max D. Let's see if Max D can make it all the way to the ocean. Ready, Max D?
Max,
go!
Don't disappoint me.
Don't disappoint her.
Just kidding. Redo.
All right, Max D, one more try. Let's see it. Go. Woo! He's gone. No. Oh, man. Come on, Max D.
I think Shark Creek is my favorite.
Yeah, let's try Shark Creek. All right, we're going to try Shark Creek now. Let's see. Ready, Shark Creek? Go. Woo! Oh, go. Oh, come on. The ocean will go. Woo! Yeah. Nice work.
I know Shark Creek was my favorite.
Last but not least, you guys, is the Pika Digger. That's a Pikachu mixed with a grave digger. You ready, bro?
Actually, I'm just gonna call the Pika.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Go! You can do it! Oh, it's tough, but will the ocean come to him? Oh! Get him before he sinks! Oh, he floats! Oh, the grave digger almost made it.
Pika Dagger! I know an island! Look, I'm
Island? Where? Follow that other monster truck! Are we on the island now?
Right there!
Oh my god, no, that's not a cone snail.
Let's get it!
Oh, wow! Look at that thing. That is so
Let's
big.
get it!
Oh, look at that. Oh, I forgot what
seen-
these were called.
I've seen one of them in an aquarium!
Oh, what are they called? Look at it go back inside, you guys.
I've
Oh
seen another
my
one!
goodness.
I've got another one!
Look at this thing, you guys. It's so beautiful. The shell is so soft. What are you making here, you guys?
A boat!
It's a boat. Look, he's got seats too. Is this your idea, Axel? Hey, Axel, do you know what these things are called?
What?
This right here is a sea snail. It's a tropical sea snail. It's called a humpback cowrie. And this is a massive specimen of it. Isn't that awesome?
Is that like one of the
Can you say cowrie, Michael?
calorie?
Cowrie, like cow? Like meow.
Calorie.
Cowrie. Humpback cowrie.
I've seen one of
It's
these
got a little
on your
hump on the back, see?
I've seen your
Pretty
shows.
sweet.
Yeah, right there. And I think
Yep.
I've seen a mini size of those on your show.
Yeah, we
the one
found
that
some
barely
smaller
came.
ones. This is a massive one. I've never seen one this big. It's so huge. So Axel, did you make a motor boat? You guys, Axel made this boat right here. He's got all these
Let's go
controls.
full speed.
Look, is this the throttle to make the boat go faster? Look
It's
at
on
that.
full speed.
It's on full speed. And these are the controls. He's
This
got
is
little
the
rocks
steer.
here that he's made for the controls. Where did you get the idea for this boat, Axel?
Kipper.
Kipper the dog, you guys. Axel used to watch Kipper the dog. And he got this idea from that. The seaboat. Uh-oh, there's a dog on the boat.
There's your motor.
There's a dog on the boat.
Turbo.
Turbo! Denton has a seat, Scarlett has a seat,
We all
Michael
got
has
our own seats.
You all have seats. That is so cool. Look at this, the boat, you guys. This is so awesome. Hey, Axel, way to use your imagination, bro. Give me 5. Awesome.
That's
man.
the oven right there.
Okay, oh, and what is this? A shark! Ah! It's a shark, you guys.
I'm falling overboard.
Oh no, Denton is falling overboard. Axel's got a shovel. A harpoon, I mean. Harpoon that shark. Ah, we'll have shark dinner.
Spewing.
It's spewing blood. Uh-oh, you guys. Now there's a real shark. Ah. Ah.
You
Ah.
can't go on the boat.
It's trying to jump in the boat. Ah.
I heard a story once about a guy
River's using the ramp as the slide, you guys.
Backwards.
Are you sliding down the ramp backwards? River's just scooting down the slide. Are you smoothing it out for us, River? All right, you guys, we got one last one of the monster trucks. We got them all lined up here in 2 buckets of water. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's see you dump it out. Go. Woo, there they go. Woo, more water. More water. Careful.
He's driving underwater.
He's driving underwater. Can't even see him. It's so murky. There you go. See how the water goes off the wheels? That's awesome. Stormigator's underwater. He's on the prowl. He's going for my feet. Don't eat my feet, Stormigator. Ah! Alright, well you guys get out and use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun and enjoy your life just like you see us doing every day if you just use your imagination. We'll see you later, bye!